Okay, so here are trapezoids. We are going to talk about what the definition of a trapezoid is. So our objective today is to understand and be able to classify shapes, including but specifically a trapezoid. We're on lesson 16. So if we're looking at our notes, it says the back of it, once you've sorted on the front of your notes, you're going to look at the back and it says draw a trapezoid according to the definition of a trapezoid. Measure and label its angles to explore their relationships. Remember, the total measure of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now, we already drew a trapezoid for you, but the definition of trapezoid is a quadrilateral, which means quad, think, what does quad mean? 4 sides. So a shape with 4 sides and only one set of parallel lines. So on a square, you would have 2 sets, but here you have 1 set of parallel sides. This line is parallel with this line. Okay? The right and left sides are not parallel. Okay, they would end up crossing. So here we drew the trapezoid, okay, and we have one angle already labeled at 70 degrees, which is an acute angle. Oops. We'll do a little erasing there. All right. So this is an acute angle because it's less than maybe 90 degrees. And this down here, the 110, is an obtuse angle because it's more than 90 degrees. And we know that the total measure of all the angles of this quadrilateral must be 360. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up the 2 angles we know. 110 plus 70 equal 180. So I need it to be 360. So I need 180 plus 2 more angles to equal 360. Now, these sides look to be at the same angle, so I could actually put this angle at 110 and this angle at 70. And I would get another 180, and 180 plus 180 equals 360. So is this trapezoid, is this shape a trapezoid? Yes. And does all of its angles add up to 360? Yes. Is a trapezoid a parallelogram? Well, a parallelogram's definition says that opposite sides must be equal. So, nope, not equal. Opposite sides must be parallel, sorry. Opposite sides must be parallel. Okay, well, we've got one set of parallel sides because they are the red lines up there. How about the 2 sides here? I'll draw them in yellow. Are these parallel? No. So, is this trapezoid a parallelogram? The answer is no. Okay, that's all we have on our notes for today. You're going to move on to your problem set after this. Thanks for watching.